There's something truly magical about a pot of apple butter simmering on the stove all day, especially when it's cold and dreary. The cinnamon, the clove, the ginger, and the nutmeg all warming up the house, intoxicating your senses. I like to add a splash of lemon to keep the apples from oxidizing, and a bit of vanilla just to add a little extra flair. I don't add any extra sugar. I just use a half a cup of cider and add a little bit more at a time if I need it. If you use water, you may have to use a drizzle of honey. But this takes about 6 to 9 hours. I take a mashed potato masher and go in, stir and mash everything, making sure it's nice and incorporated about every 30 minutes to an hour. And it takes a while for everything to cook down. You can always stop early and make applesauce instead. You don't even have to add the spices. And then this is about 3/4 of the way done. It's completely combined. Everything's mashed in. All it needs now is to sit and simmer for about another hour to get thickened up.